First day back to Utah, and I'm running the Grove Creek Battle Creek 8-mile mountain loop. I don't know, I've been at sea level the last 2 weeks, and I've only been walking just the boring sidewalks of neighborhoods. We'll see what time I can do. Hopefully I can go under 2 hours. Found a lemon in my fridge. I'm gonna put in my hair.
Oh yeah, doesn't it like light your hair?
Yeah. How long ago was that?
Oh, like last week.
Last night?
Yeah. Hey, she knocked me out.
I've been breathing this heavy for like 40 minutes. Is that good or bad? Come apple. About to the highest point elevation wise. Back underneath temp. Can't wait for the natural spring to drink. Oh, frick, dude. It's Drew.
It is true.
It's Drew.
Hey, come back, I'm down.
Yeah, I figured you would.